What up, family? Who's ready for a little bit of ammo porn? I got my big box here. It came directly from Federal, and this one here is from Underwood. Let's start off with the tiny guy first. This is some that good old personal protection ammo that they sell. They wrap this up good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Have to see if I can open this up with one hand for you. There we go. Check this out. For the 9mm. Yeah. These were $19 a piece. See what they were after tax. Came up to tax and shipping, $47.93. I don't mind paying that kind of price for personal protection ammo, especially when this is good Underwood stuff. Now to the big boy. I got up one morning at 4:15 a.m. and waited for Federal to start dropping their ammo. And I was not disappointed. It looked like they combined a couple of my orders in here. A few of my orders. Even got some, sent me some stickers. One box of 9mm HST. Nine millimeter 115 grain. I think there's about 3 or 4 of them in here. 9mm personal train and protect. You know, I buy these extra boxes of 9mm in there because I want to get the free shipping. Otherwise, you got to pay $12 for free shipping. These here are $22 and some change on Federal site. And I believe these are like $37 for 50 rounds. Oh yeah. That 5.56. It's all 5.56 and 223 in here. I was busy that morning. You know, it's kind of nice just laying in your bed buying ammo. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. They combined 3 orders. I got my 800 range pack of 22 long rifle here. Got 2 of those. These were $62 and some change a piece. 800 rounds, 1,600 rounds total. Then I have more of this in here. Yeah. Not too shabby. These here were $13.99 after tax. You know, you figure you're paying about 68, 69 cents per round for the 5.56 and the 223. As you can see, yeah, there's the 223 there. It's nice. You don't have to, especially in Minnesota, you don't have to sit out there and be in the cold waiting for a store to open. You know, we're in the negative this whole week. Saturday it's going to be -50. I damn sure ain't gonna be standing outside of Cabela's waiting to get ammo. Like I said in my previous video, I'm done for a while. I have enough to get me through the summer and the fall. I shoot once a week, sometimes 2 times a week. There have been cases where I shot 3 times a week. So I'm not hoarding this. This will get used up. So happy hunting out there to you all. Peace out.